Hi, this process is called direct expense entry. So direct expense entry is the process we used to run when we have a direct expense occurs. So here the direct expense is happening at the time of international purchase. So international purchase, during international purchase goods receipt time, we may have some freight charges, loading, unloading charges, and all those direct expense belongs to that particular purchase. So when we get those kind of cost, so we used to run this form to record all those entries in our system. So here, the first part is like we need to select our reference. So here reference will be bill of lading number. So bill of lading is the confirmation which vendor giving to customer about the products and the shipment details. Okay, so when we select a particular bill of lading, we will be able to see how many products vendor sending through a particular logistics team. Okay, so this is the reference we will give when we have an additional cost occurs for that particular purchase. So this one we will select as a reference for our reconciliation, and also we will use this particular reference for dividing the cost to the COGS account. COGS means cost of goods sold account. So here, after selecting the reference, we will select the expenses. So it can be freight charges, and there can be carriage inwards. So when we are selecting the account, we will be able to see the account number, and we will be able to give the direct expense here in the expense amount. And in case if we have any comment, we can update the comment over there. After that, we will select how we are making the payment, by cash or by bank. We will be able to see all our cash or bank details here. After that, in case of any supporting document, we will upload here, and we will be able to see the period. At present, period 11-12 is open, so we can select if this particular entry belongs to which period. So we will select the respective period, and we will be able to complete this particular entry. So before that, we need to select these two costs. When we select these two costs, we will be able to see the total value here. This is very important. After updating all this information, we need to select it. So we'll be able to see the total expense, and the total expense is impacting our cash account. After updating all this information, we will be able to complete this particular entry, and we will be able to see the journal and ledger information. So this is the journal entry. So we have two costs. We paid by cash, and this is the ledger account for the same. So this is the process called direct expense entry. Thank you.